right guys, welcome back to the series. I'm gonna try to upload a ton of videos. We're gonna go over electrical, framing, ductwork, the whole nine. But the first thing I wanna touch on, because this is really the first issue I ran into with this house, is something called a stop work order. What is a stop work order, right? A lot of people are like, oh my God, I got a stop work order. Here, pan over to here and show it. This is a stop work order. A stop work order comes from the town when you're doing work without permits. The reason we got a stop work order is, unbeknown to us, I had my demo guy go to the town and get a demo permit, right? A demo permit is something that you start with so that you're allowed to do demolition to the house. My demo guy went to the township and he said, hey, I'm gonna be demoing 3 floors of this house. Do I need a permit? And the lady in the town said, as long as the dumpster is not in the street and it's in the driveway, you do not need a permit. So he said, okay, cool. We got a dumpster, we put it in the driveway. You could see it over here. There she is. This is like the 10th dumpster we're on. And we went to work, we demoed the house. Next thing you know, we got a stop work order. You can't be doing work without a permit. And I called the inspector and I said, hey, we tried to get a permit. We said we don't need one to demo the house. And he said, no, of course you need a permit. You've been misinformed. So that disconnection between whoever works at the office in the township and the town inspector is actually a very common thing. So I would say you definitely pull a demo permit no matter what, even if you go there and the girl at the counter says no. Because this kind of opened up a can of worms for us, because then he said, oh, you don't have any permits for anything, which we are working on, but we ended up getting an $8,000 fine. The fine is, you can negotiate a fine when you get it from the town. You negotiate at the end, as long as you submit all the paperwork. And we're gonna go over all this. This is called the construction jacket. We're gonna go over this too in the next video on what is a construction jacket. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you like and subscribe first. Make sure you hit the bell icon for notifications. But if you guys have any other questions on what is a stop work order form, feel free to leave a comment or send me an email. It's gonna be in the comments. But yeah, this sucks. Stop work orders suck.